Luxury mechanical watch for men. Without battery for life. Skeleton transparent see-through dial, fully visible moving machinery. Heavy black heart 100% eco-friendly, no batteries used. You need to wind it daily once in the morning, rotate the crown 20 to 30 times clockwise, it runs through the day. Luxury quality finish, Addic Chhu-Ke-Dekho challenge finish so good, you have to touch it, to believe it.
Thanks for watching JP Store. Please do subscribe, like, share.
Thanks for watching JP Store. Like and subscribe this video. Subscribe our JP Store channel.